Today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix EAFC 26 crashing on your PC. First thing first, quit out of the game, and then right-click onto your taskbar, select Task Manager. Go for Services here, select Anywhere, then type in E. If you see anything related with EA, right-click onto it, select Stop. Now again, type in F. If you see anything related with FC, right-click onto it, select Stop. Now for the next step, also make sure that your NVIDIA driver is updated. So launch your NVIDIA app, get logged into your account, select drivers. If you see any updation of driver available, go ahead, select it and download it. Or you can also update your driver. Now see if this fixes your problem. If it's still not working, then the only way that you can fix your problem is by uninstalling that app, reinstalling again, and this will do.